Study about clippers and shortly how to learn it. So in these clippers we have unbiased clippers and biased clippers and combination clippers or double-ended clippers. Combination clippers are nothing but biased positive clipper plus biased negative clipper. Okay, these two clippers are called combination clippers. So next one, in this unbiased clippers, unbiased positive clippers and unbiased negative clippers. So unbiased positive clippers have again two types. There are unbiased series positive clipper and next one unbiased shunt positive clipper. And in this also we have two types, that is unbiased series negative clipper and next one unbiased shunt negative clipper. So shunt negative clipper and series negative clipper. And next we have to learn about unbiased series positive clipper. So this is, so in this one, when we connected with that circuit, we have get this waveform, that is nothing but in that one this is reverse bias and this is forward bias, reverse forward. So in this one the current will be flow in forward bias, that is nothing but in a negative half cycle will be current will be shows and we positive and negative. In this positive vi it is nothing but vi and this is nothing but v naught, that is v naught is nothing but output. When we give this output we get this when we give this input we get output. So in this first one positive and negative two are there. So in output we have no positive one and we get negative one. So no positive is nothing but positive one is 0, so this is 0 and negative one is here positive one is 0 now, positive one is 0 and negative one is same as this one and this one are same, these two are same. So this is that one. And next one shunt, these two are same but connected in reverse. So that diagram will be connected in reverse, that is nothing but the diode and resistor are connected in reverse. Here the diode and resistor connected in series, here connected in shunt are parallel. So same one here, same no current in the positive one and negative one will be get same current. This is the same flow, not current, same flow. This is the first one, unbiased negative clipper. Next one unbiased negative clipper lo shunt and unbiased positive clipper, unbiased negative clipper. Unbiased negative clipper have again two types, unbiased series negative clipper, unbiased shunt negative clipper. So these two do same but diagrams will be connected in reverse, that is nothing but first one the diagram, first one diagram, that is nothing but like this is nothing but that diode and this is one, that is resistor. And in that shunt and series is nothing but in shunt this will be reverse, in series this is the this is the diagram of series, diode will be here and resistor will be here. Okay, this is the circuit diagram. Okay, you have observed about these two now. So now we have to discuss about it. Unbiased series negative clipper. Series negative clipper, when we place in this, so up and down, this is the waveform and this is also same waveform and we get output as positive will be same and negative will be no output and positive will be same, negative will be no output. Same in this also same, that is positive one is positive, negative, positive. So positive, first one positive is same, negative is no output, positive is same, negative is output. This is the waveform. So this is one positive half cycle. V naught is equals to Vi, and second one is V naught is equals to 0. So there is no output here, there is no half circle now. Here also no, but in those is just one diode and resistor, those are replaced in this activity. Let us discuss about biased clippers. Biased clippers are divided into two parts, that is biased positive clipper and biased negative clipper. In this also they are divided into another two parts, that is biased series and biased shunt, that is positive, and biased negative clipper lo next biased series diode, biased shunt diode. These for negative and this is for positive in bias. So in bias, when we draw diagram, we will get like this, that is the output and input sources. So with respective of reference one, so once see we this diode circuit in this bias, to get bias is nothing but to get active form of transistor so next one, in this bias we have to give here some volts extra and resistor and diode. So this is series one. If we see in shunt, these are replaced here, these two are replaced. So these are do work with respect to VR. So here first one is half R, this is the R1. So in this part, this R is reference one. So depend on reference one, it will be works. So it works from this is a positive one now, positive from down to up, this is reference line, this is one reference. So totally in this bias it will be like this, and down one, this is negative now, negative one, it will be fully covered same, and up this is with the reference for, and this is same. So at different reference this will be changes. So in this diode positive, and this shunt also same circuit diagram, same this but same work, but circuit diagram will be replaced with the diode and resistor. Okay, next in this one we have to see these equations. V naught is equals to Vi, output will be Vi, and Vi is depend on this one, that is VR is nothing but that reference voltage, reference voltage depend on reference voltage plus if reference voltage is greater, so Vi, and if reference voltage is lesser than that or equal than that, these are two conditions for this. And for this one, that is this one, this is Vi is greater than VR or equal, Vi is lesser than in forward, this is in reverse, this is in forward, this is also same. Okay, in biased series diode, in biased series same, but here we have to see once diagram. So here that biased negative clipper, so that biased negative clipper is within series, this is the diagram for it. And here one more, one VR is nothing but reference one, by reference bias it is working, and diode and resistor, these two are there, and biased center, this one also same, and this will be replaced by resistor and diode. Totally two waveforms are same in positive and negative, and positive and negative. Here we have already observed that in positive half cycle, that positive half cycle will be same, but this negative half cycle will be different. Why? Because negative clipper na, we have get bias with by reference, by some reference voltage. Same for these two, by when we give some voltage, reference voltage to this, we get some bias. This is nothing but we get from down one. This is v naught now output, and this is vi. For say for all this is same. So everything uh, from top to down, it is works up to reference. This also same, up to reference. This works up to reference one. So this will be drawn like this. So this is the total some summary from me to all of you. Thank you for giving this.